I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Microsoft. On Friday, the company announced that Steve Ballmer, CEO of Microsoft, was going to retire. And so what happens? The stock's trading up big pre-market. It opened up where at 35.16, it promptly traded up another 4 cents and then started to trade down all day. Nothing against Steve Ballmer, but this is what the market did. The market voted by buying the stock. Why? Because Steve Ballmer's leaving. Does the market hate Steve Ballmer? No. Apparently, the deal was that the guy just stunk up the joint when it comes to spending money. He spent like $1 gazillion on Skype. How's that working out for you? Just not a real good, steward of the money, the cash cow that Microsoft has. And so with him leaving, the market is saying, hey, they'll probably get they'll get somebody in there that's better, right? That's going to do a better job. Well, here's what I'm saying. You look at the weekly chart on this. The stock it's been violent. There's no question about it. We can talk about, well, if you bought here, you'd have doubled your money. Yeah, that's true. If, frogs had wings, they wouldn't have sore butts from jumping around so much too. But as I look here at the stock, again, on the weekly chart, I would say, okay, well, this kind of looks like a pretty decent consolidation here. So I'm going to want to buy the stock when? First of all, I'm not interested in buying Microsoft, but there are a lot of people that are. Traded 345 million shares this last week. But if you are inclined to buy Microsoft, why do you want to buy it in this trading range? Instead, wait for the stock to break out to a new high. That will give you the sense that this trading range is over. And by the way, look at the time frame. Okay, it's 2013. So this thing has been trading in a sideways range for most of the year. You look at the daily chart and you get a better sense of what I'm talking about. I'm saying if Microsoft doesn't break through, say, 36.50, I wouldn't want to buy this stock. My suggestion is if you bought this stock on the news that Steve Ballmer's retiring, you need to sell this stock on the news that Steve Ballmer's retiring, because it's still the same with Microsoft. Maybe they're going to do things a little bit different, but they ain't Apple, they ain't Facebook, they're still just Mr. Softy. Okay, members, get over to the weekend update. Particularly keep your eyes, keep focused on video 3, where I'm talking about a lot of the stocks, these kind of high momentum names that are still working. So I want you to get over there now.